Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can copy messenger group link. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. Open your Facebook. Now all you have to do is tap on Messenger. Now open any of the group that you like to share the link of. So let's say if I want to share the link of this group, now all I have to do is tap on the top URL twice and now tap on copy. So now the link has been copied. So now all I'm gonna do is go to my messenger and paste this link right here on the same group. So I'll just open this link right here and it takes me to the same group in a different page. So that is how you basically share or copy messenger group link. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did so, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And I hope to see you guys soon the next time.